Chapter 1. Section 6. Significant digits. By the end of this section, you will be able to determine the correct number of digits to indicate the precision of a measurement or a calculated result. Counting is the only type of measurement that is free from uncertainty. The result of a measurement obtained by counting, such as 12 books on a shelf or 500 sheets of paper in a ream, are exact values. The numbers of defined quantities are exact numbers. Examples of defined quantities are 1 foot is exactly 12 inches. 1 inch is exactly 2.54 centimeters, 1 gram is exactly 0.001 kilograms and 1 kilometer is exactly 1,000 meter. Integers within formula are also exact numbers. Results calculated from a measurement are as uncertain as the measurement itself. We must take the uncertainty in our measurements into account to avoid misrepresenting the uncertainty in calculated results. One way to do this is to report the result of a calculation with the correct number of significant figures, which is determined by the following 4 rules for rounding numbers. 1. If the digit to be dropped, that is, the one immediately to the right of the digit to be retained, is more than 5, increase the retained digit by 1. 2. If the digit to be dropped is less than 5, leave the retained digit unchanged. 3. If the digit to be dropped is 5, increase the retained digit by 1 if it is odd. 4. If the digit to be dropped is 5, leave the retained digit unchanged if it is even. Work the following exercise to test your understanding of the material in this section. The answer for the exercise is on the next page. The least certain measurement sets the limit on certainty for the entire calculation and determines the number of significant figures in the final answer. 2 rules govern how many significant figures are permitted in calculated results. For multiplication and division, the final answer contains the same number of significant figures as there are in the measurement with the least number of significant figures. For addition and subtraction, the final answer has the same number of decimal places as there are in the measurement with the least number of decimal places. To avoid rounding errors in multi-step calculations, round only the final answer. Do not round results from intermediate steps. Work the following exercise to test your understanding of the material in this section. The answer for the exercise is on the next page. If a problem has both addition or subtraction and multiplication or division, the part that is done first must have its significant digits noted before the next operation is performed. This is because the rules are different for determining which digits are retained. You must follow the order of operations rules, which are as follows. 1. First, perform any calculations that are in parentheses. 2. Perform any exponential calculations. 3. Perform any multiplication or division calculations, going from left to right. 4. Lastly, perform any addition or subtraction calculations, going from left to right. If addition or subtraction is done first, the number of significant digits in the sum or difference is used to determine the number in the multiplication or division operation to follow. If multiplication or division is done first, the position of the last significant digit is noted to help determine the last significant digit in the next answer resulting from addition or subtraction. In multi-part problems in the rest of this text, to avoid excessive round-off errors, at least one extra digit will be retained, if it is non-zero, until the final answer. Work the following exercise to test your understanding of the material in this section. The answer for the exercise is on the next page. Work the following exercise to test your understanding of the material in this section. The answer for the exercise is on the next page. Work the following exercise to test your understanding of the material in this section. The answer for the exercise is on the next page.